Hi guys, Lucky Time with the Van is back. And last time I showed you the cat. Today we'll show you a whole new thing. This cool truck is so powerful. And watch this. Look what it can do. Whoa. You want to see it again? Here we go. Whoa.
Yeah, that's silly.
You want to see how I built this with my dad? Let's go check it out. This is not it. You actually need the smasher for this. So this is his trophy. He will smash them. Okay, and now we're gonna try it. Whoa, guys, wasn't that awesome? It was like, Joe, what do you think we're gonna do next?
This cool truck is gonna love that trophy right now.
That's right, Joe. And now I'm gonna play it. Whoops. And now, is it good? Good. Now I think we can go forward. Wasn't that awesome, guys?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna play it. But we will do it again. Okay, now he's gonna lift it. Joe!
It's okay, it's okay.
But my sister did something wrong. And I don't, that's not good.
That's okay.
It's almost there. And now it's good to go, I think. Now press the button, Joe.
Yeah!
Wasn't that cool?
Is it?
Guys, I showed you two things that this thing can do. But in the second episode, we have two more exciting stuff coming up. Keep exploring this Lego Boost app. Okay? Bye!